Principal Ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. I, Anand Bothra of Class 6 is here to conduct today's morning assembly. The topic of my assembly is New Year. A year has 365 days, and on the last day of the year, that is 31st December, we keep all our good memories in good books and make resolutions and plans for the coming year. As this year is ending, I wish all the negativities and difficulties also end with this year. Let's make some promises. Let's promise that we will fulfill our duties and responsibilities. Let's promise that we will not do such acts that hurt other people. Let's promise that we will try our best to be a good human. Thank you. Wish you all a happy and prosperous new year.